welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am KittyClaws18 and I love nails. These are the nails I'm rocking today. I will have a video up about these beach vibe nails. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen these already. So yeah, but anyway, today's video is a special video because I am doing a little promo with Madam Glam. I'm so excited to do this for you guys. I received an email from Anna over at Madam Glam. And yeah, I was able to pick 3 beautiful Madam Glam gel polish colors to create a beautiful set for you guys. And Madam Glam offered all of my True Blue kitties a 30% off discount code. Yay! So the discount code is a KittyK30_1. It is up on the screen here. There will also be a link, a direct link in the description box below. So make sure you click on those links so you can get your 30% off your entire order, guys. That is fabulous, amazing, and I'm so excited to be unboxing this with you guys. I kind of already opened it because I was so hyped when I got it. But I haven't tested anything out. I haven't looked at the colors, nothing. I just opened it, okay? So I'm going to continue to open it with you guys. These are the colors I picked, okay? So I got 3 colors. So the first color I picked, what's it called? Early Bird. It's like a nice green. This is so pretty. Ooh. You know what it reminds me of? Pistachio ice cream. Back in the day when there was green pistachio ice cream, this was the color of it. Oh, that's really pretty. The next color I got was called Cloudless. And I really, like, as you can tell, I'm feeling this blue. Oh, this is nice. I really like that. And then the last color I got is called Simplicity. It's a nice, like, sandy nude. Like, it has, like, an orange undertone to it. And I really like it. So the reason I picked these 3 colors because I was going for like a beach kind of look. As you can tell, those are the vibes. So I wanted to do a beach manicure type look with featuring these Madam Glam colors, okay? They also sent a base and a top. Okay, jumping in to do a little voiceover because the audio was not that great. So the other item I got was this mini LED UV lamp. There's 6 bulbs. It comes with a charger piece. You will need to have your own USB charger port or whatever. And it has cute little legs. I think this is really cute. If you're just on the go, throw it in your bag, a backup light. If you're carrying a finger at a time. I haven't tested it out yet, but I think it's cute. It's really cute. You can use it to like flash cure something while you're painting or doing art or something, or flash cure if you're putting on stones with some gel. So yeah, I think it'd be really good just to have on your desk, and you can't go wrong with having a few of these little mini lights. So yeah, I'm just showing you the diamond gel I use. And you can flash cure your diamond clusters as you're going, pretty much. So yeah, thank you, Madam Glam. We're gonna jump right into my design. So guys, the vibe I'm going for is, like I said, beach. I've been on this kick with beachy nails and beachy vibes. So I am going to be ombreing all 3 of these colors. And what I do is I go in first with the nudish color, which would be like the sandy color for me. And I put, I think I went in with 2 coats or one coat, I believe, of the color on all of the nails. And I let them cure for 60 seconds each. And then you'll see me come back in and I'm just gonna ombre all the colors. I believe I ombreed the Early Bird into the Cloudless. Yeah, so the Early Bird is like the greenish pistachio-ish color, and then Cloudless is that like teal ocean foam blue type of color. And yeah, you're gonna watch me use my ombre brush and ombre these gels. And I don't ombre gels, I do a lot of acrylic work, but I'm getting back into doing some nice gel nails. Especially in my area, the ladies out where I live in Jersey love their gel nails. I mean, they love their acrylics too, don't get me wrong, but knowing how to ombre both gel and acrylic, pretty good. It's a good thing to do. Good thing to practice, good thing to learn. It's not the same methodology, but once you get the hang of it, pretty good. I know you can ombre using the sponges. Today I did not. I used an ombre brush, and I took my time. I took my time to get that ombre as pretty and as ombre as I wanted it to look for this design. So yeah, you're gonna be watching me do that. Okay, kitties, so this are the nails after one quote I was gonna say quote of the Simplicity color by Madam Glam. And then I'm going to start my ombreing process. So I put a little bit of the Simplicity at the back, then you'll see me ombre in that greenish color, which is Early Bird, and then I will ombre in the bluish color, which is Cloudless. I did take my time. I ombreed. The ombre brush I used, I believe I got it from Amazon. I'll link it down below. It was all right. If somebody knows of a better brush, because it did take me a minute to ombre these colors using that ombre brush. So if anyone knows a good ombreing brush, not sponge but brush, let me know, because I do have ombreing sponges. I was just trying to try out the brushes. It was okay. It was okay. I'm not gonna lie, I struggled to ombre a little bit, but it has nothing to do with the colors. The Madam Glam colors are awesome. It had everything to do with me and getting my technique down, pretty much. But if anybody knows of a really good ombreing brush, please hit your sis up in the comment section below. This brush was okay. If anybody wants it, I will leave it linked below. It is really cute. It's an ombre brush. It's like a blue into pink kind of brush, which is cute. I don't know if I need a new brush or if I need a better technique. You guys let me know in the comment section below. That's what I love my kitty claws crew about. You guys help me out so much, and I try to do the same thing in turn for all of you. So yeah, you're gonna watch me struggle ombre and then eventually get it right. But yeah, I'm just gonna be ombreing all of these nails. So kitties, what I did was after I got the ombres just right, I cured them for 60 seconds. And then I went back in and did another coat of the ombre again, just so that the colors can really pop. And I must say, I loved this color combination. Yeah, it's giving beach vibes. It's definitely giving the beach. I hope you guys can see it too. If you do, please put hashtag beach vibes down below and hashtag Madam Glam down below. Okay, so now I'm adding some accents to my design. I'm going in with some gold foil. I think I got this gold foil from Shein. And I'm just placing some gold foil on the nails. You'll see me go in with the gold foil and some seashells, broken up seashells, which I got from Shein. And just adding it to the nails, really going in with the beachy vibe. I'm using the Madam Glam base to adhere all my items to the nail pretty much. So I'm using that brush. I put some of the base coat down, and then I use the same brush to pick up the item, like I'm picking up the shell, placing it into the base gel and kind of just making it nice and flat. And yeah, just going in with my design. So I didn't add any bling to this nail, so you know your girl had to add some glitter. So I believe I got this glitter years ago, a jar of it from Walmart, and it's just some iridescent glitter. And you can use any glitter you want. I just wanted a little something. I didn't want to go too far overboard to be too glittery, but just a little accent of a little shimmer and shine. And I'm you know, being very selective of the pieces I'm picking out. Like I said, I'm not trying to overdo it, okay? But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Again, using the Madam Glam base gel to just adhere everything to the nail. So put a little base gel down, use the same brush to pick up whatever I'm trying to pick up, which in this case is the glitter, and then placing it on the base gel and just kind of tapping it in and pressing it in so that it can adhere nice and securely to my nail. So what I'm doing now is I'm going in with some white gel polish. I'm using my brush and a little bit of acetone. I believe I used acetone, yes. And I'm going in to make the soft, like white wave type foam that you usually see in the beach in the water. Like, you get the vibes. You get the vibes. So all I do is I take my brush, have a little bit of that white and just drag it in, tap it in. And then I'll get a little bit of acetone on the brush, a little bit, not too saturated, just a little bit, and kind of like thin out the lines I made, because I want an accent. Just a little accent of white, okay? And if you have Madam Glam white, please use it. I didn't have any Madam Glam white, so I just used some D&D white, but that's okay. The nail set it's coming out. I'm hoping you're seeing the vibes I'm going for. It came out so nice. I was so hype about it. But yeah, just making my little foam waves type thing. So now that everything is cured, so once I did my waves, I cured it for 60 seconds. And now I'm going in with the base. I'm using the Madam Glam base gel to encapsulate everything. What I did was I went in with a nice covering of the base, cured it for 60 seconds, and then I used my buffer to buff everything down. And then I cleaned it off with an alcohol wipe. Okay, and then you'll see me top coat. So that's pretty much the end steps for this nail set. Like I said, put the base coat, cured it for 60 seconds, use my buffer to really smooth out the nail, cleaned off the nail, and now I'm going in with my top coat, Madam Glam top coat, and oh my goodness, the nails came out beautiful. I loved them, kitties. Let me know if you also loved it. Thank you so much, Madam Glam. It was so fun to collab with you. It was so fun to do this beautiful beach vibe set. And of course, kitties, don't forget to use my discount code. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, Madam Glam, so very much. And to all my kitties, don't forget, stay safe, stay blessed, stay prayed up. And until next time, bye, kitties.